araw eh.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you on a captivating journey to one of the Philippines' hidden gems, the Diocesan Shrine of St. Anthony of Padua, located right here in Baybay City, Leyte. As we approach the entrance, you'll notice the stunning facade of the shrine. Its intricate design and elegant architecture are a testament to the dedication and artistry that went into creating this sacred space. Step inside and you'll immediately feel a sense of peace and reverence. The main altar is the focal point of the shrine, beautifully adorned and radiating a sense of divine presence. This is where many come to seek solace and inspiration. One of the highlights of the shrine is its various chapels dedicated to different saints and aspects of the Catholic faith. Each chapel is uniquely decorated, offering a space for personal reflection and prayer. They not only enhance a spiritual atmosphere of the shrine but also tell the rich story of St. Anthony's life and miracles. It's clear that the shrine holds a special place in the hearts of many. Beyond the shrine itself, the surrounding area offers beautiful views and a tranquil environment, making it a perfect spot for contemplation and spiritual renewal.
Shrine ang pupuna. Ha? Pamisa ba? Ligo ka na nilo. Di ka linya sa ligo.
Malagay ba?
Dito. Mother, oh, ayaw umano eh. Iba na yung pakiramdam mo ba? Ito yung tourist spot ng Pupunan.
As we move to the back of the Diocesan
Leyte.
Shrine of St. Anthony of Padua, you'll discover another enchanting aspect of the sacred site, the stunning outdoor area that complements the church's serene ambience. Here at the back of the shrine, you'll find a picturesque garden adorned with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. This area is not just visually stunning but also offers a tranquil retreat for visitors seeking a moment of peace and reflection. Just look at these colorful blooms. They create a vibrant tapestry of nature that contrasts beautifully with the serene environment of the shrine. The careful landscaping and variety of flowers make this spot a true heaven of nature lovers. The garden paths wind through this delightful landscape, providing a peaceful stroll that invites you to pause and appreciate the beauty around you. It's the perfect place for contemplation or simply enjoying the fresh air. And let's not forget the breathtaking backdrop. Lush hills and open skies frame the shrine, creating a serene setting that enhances the spiritual experience. This enchanting garden behind the shrine is a testament to the harmonious blend of spirituality and natural beauty. It's a wonderful reminder of the peaceful and uplifting environment that surrounds the sacred space.
Ito yung shrine.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Diocesan Shrine of St. Anthony of Padua. If you ever find yourself in Baybay City, this is definitely a place worth visiting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel and spiritual explorations.